Hi
Majorette.
everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. So these are Hi everybody, don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, let's open it, everybody. Got it open. Help me, everybody.
Let me help. Let me help.
Thank you, everybody. Let me just move these garbage away. That way you don't see the mess. Whoa. These are all the cheerleaders. Okay. Everybody, it's a different clothing. Who I got? Let me see, everybody. I got her. Let's do some more juice. Let me just open this now. Is this her clothes? Yeah. And now it is the shoes. No, I thought it was her shoes, but it's not. These are her pom-poms. Pom-pom. Help me, everybody. These. And this is her silver shoes. And, hey, everybody, can you help me put on this? First, you put on this, everybody. Ah.
Oh, made a mistake again.
Grown-ups are making
mistakes.
because they're nasty.
Really?
Maybe I can fix this. These are my new shoes. Let me put on her shoes first. Right way. Okay, let me see this one. Okay, this one belongs here. Okay. And this one belongs here. Let me try to put on that one. Here, everybody.
What is this?
It's a pom-pom. Pom-pom-pom-pom. Let me drink some more juicy.
Here she is. Very cute.
Yeah, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.